Welcome to my AI to reality series of my gathering place, where here is my vision. Okay, so today I'm just going to work on my plant holders and just get a little DIY project. In my previous video, I spray painted both of my plant holders, the gold portion. In my vision picture, there's a middle portion of the plant holder that's gold, and then the remainder is black. So here I am now getting ready for the second stage to paint the plant holder black. I am now taping around the plant itself to protect it from the black paint. And then I will remove the tape around the gold to reveal the portion for the black paint to go, as well as apply more tape over the gold to protect the gold from the black. So follow along as I get this process done. This project was a nice break. Today was Sunday, and normally that is my rest day. So yes, it's early in the morning, hence the reason why my hair looks the way it is, and I'm okay with that. I just want to do something every day is my goal. And this took a little bit of time, but it was fun to do. Each step wasn't too long. I had to wait in between coats for the paint to dry. Here I am just trying to line up the tape to where I can get a clean line of the gold from where I start to paint it black. But this was a nice project break from the bigger project of the gathering place. I plan to really get this done, so I've been working hard and it's coming together, and you'll see that in the end of the video. The top portion is almost complete. In my vision, they do have some different, I would say, finishing touches, like a bigger cookie jar and stuff like that, which I will purchase later on. But for now, I'm using what I have, and it still looks really good. I am in the process of purchasing the lights and the LED strips for the back of the floating shelves, and I have some spotlights at the top, so that'll be coming soon. But next step is to work on the bottom portion where the countertop is and get this gathering place coming together. I'm still working on taping up. This is my second plant holder to protect it from the black. my Gathering Place series has been awesome. It's holding me accountable like I wanted, so it's making me get up to get these projects completed. My home is projects all over the place, and I really want to get it done. Next in line is to finish my kitchen and work on my game room / Philadelphia Eagles room simultaneously, because in between the process of letting the paint dry and the tiles, the grout from the tiles dry and all that, I do want to continue to just keep making progress and moving forward. So I'll be working on both of those projects coming soon. And I'm so excited for the transformation of my home. It is going to be so beautiful. Again, we've been here for a really long time. My kids grew up here, and it's just time for an update pretty much everywhere. My ceilings need to be painted. My walls need to be painted. I have so many projects everywhere, and I'm excited to get my home done. As well as outside, I have a pretty big yard and a lot of things to do out there. do apply 2 coats to both plant holders. I let them dry a few hours in between each coat. This was the first coat completed, and I let it dry a couple hours. Now I'm applying the second coat of black paint to my plant holders. I let the second coat dry a few hours before I remove the tape. And here's how the top portion of my floating shelves with the plant holders look. And I'll be working on the bottom half coming soon. And again, here is my vision for my gathering place. Thank you for tuning in to AI to Reality.